Hi there, and today, as usual on this channel, we talk about urban development and how technologies make life better. And today I will meet you how smart parking system works. Look please at these small devices that maybe you have not even noticed it on the streets of your city. They look like this. So these tiny devices located everywhere through the city of Barcelona to measure intensity of traffic, and as well they are used for parking, so that's why they are called smart parking zones. As you see here, for instance, some cars are parked, there is an empty space, and then the next car again. I will tell you now how the system runs. First of all, you have to install ApparkB application if you are in Barcelona, and as soon as you have installed it, driving through the city, you will already know where you can park easily. When the traffic in Barcelona was analyzed, actually it was found that a lot of this traffic create cars which are just trying to find a parking place, and this problem was identified, especially for such cities like Barcelona, where there is usually one-way direction. It makes a lot of confusion to make cycles around and around without knowing if you are able to find a parking place at your destination. And such solution was found. This smart parking system was developed. Here in Barcelona we have it already many years, about 7 or 8 years, and it proved to be very, very successful, actually not even in streets of the city, but as well in the parkings of big hypermarket and other big open spaces. You know, nowadays other solutions can be used for smart parking. Even there can be a lane, just a tape glued up to the surface. It helps especially not to damage the road. So there are absolutely different solutions, but in Barcelona we have like this. Actually, these devices are made by one Spanish company. This project was very successful. Some cities bought 10,000 or even more with smart parking devices. They are very durable. You can put on top more than 2.5 tons, so they are very resistant to temperature. So absolutely a good solution. And drop please in comments if you have something similar in your city. Would you like to know more about smart parking and other urban solutions? And of course, if you found these ideas of smart parking quite interesting, subscribe to our channel, put a like to video, make comments if you would like to know more about smart parking system, and maybe you already have some other more innovative solutions. So you are very welcome for your comments, and subscribe for Smart City Tour, and let's keep in touch. Best wishes.